Hello. Right, let's get started on this last question. So, Safety Cones is a company that makes traffic cones. Its traffic cones have a base in the shape of an octagonal prism with a hollow cone shape sitting at the top of the base. The bases of the traffic cones are symmetrical and have a circular hole in them to allow traffic cones to be stacked. The dimensions of the octagonal base are shown below. The height of this octagonal base is 5 centimeters. So this is the base, and it's 5 centimeters up. The cone that sits on top of the octagonal base is shown below. It has a height of 60 centimeters and a circular base area of 800 centimeters squared. Gary is transporting a stack of 10 of these traffic cones back to his van. Calculate the volume of the space that the stack of 10 cones takes up in the back of his van. You should assume that the space taken up includes the space underneath the bottom of the cones. Okay, sure. So we essentially need to find the volume of 10 of these, and then the volume of the cone, and then add them up. Essentially, that's about it, really. So let's get on with this then. So the base is here, and it very kindly gives us the dimensions. So the way to do this really is split it as these shapes here, like so. And note just how to find them, really. So these 4 triangles are going to be identical. So this is going to be a height of 20 here. So this is going to be 15. And then this here is also going to be the exact same. So 15 and 15. And then these middle ones are 20. Okay, so in the center, we're going to have a 20 by 20 square, so 20 by 20 for the first bit. And then we're going to have 4 of these, which are 20 by 15, so 4 by 15 by 20. And then we're also going to have 4 of these triangles, which are 15 by 15. So that's going to be 1/2 15 by 15 times by 4. So now let's find the actual area of this base then. So it's going to be equal to 400 for this first one, 20 times 20. So then it's going to be 4 times 15, which is 60, and then 60 times 20 is 1,200, so 1,200. Plus, and then it's going to be 15 times 15, which is 225, and then 1/2 of 4 is 2, so it's going to be 225 times by 2, which is 450. So the total area is going to be 950 plus 1,200, so that's going to be 2,150 centimeters squared for the area of one of these. So area of base is equal to 1,250 centimeters squared. So volume of base is going to be 1,250 times by its height, and you're given that the height is 5. So again, that's just another prism, cross-sectional area times by height. 5 times 2,000 is 10,000, and then 5 times 150 is going to be 750. So it's going to be 10,750 centimeters cubed for the volume of one of these. So the volume of stack is going to be 10 times 10,750, which is 107,500 centimeters cubed. So the volume of these is like so. And then what we're going to do is we now find the volume of the cone and we add it on. So volume of cone, so we're told that it sits on top of the octagonal base. Okay, fine. It has a height of 60 centimeters and a circular base area of 800. So this is nice and easy. So volume of a cone is 1/3 its base times its height. So this is going to be 1/3 800 times by 60. So 1/3 of 60 is 20. So then it's 800 times by 20. So 800 times by 20 is going to be 16, and then 3 zeros, centimeters cubed. So volume in total is going to be 16,000 plus 107,500. So that's going to be 16 plus 7.5, 23.5, so 123,500 centimeters cubed. And let me just check I've got everything here. I think we're good. Okay, perfect.